Otto. Now, I want you to watch very carefully because he's going to teach you some things he wants you to do and things he does not want you to do. He does not want you to cheat. He does not want you to fib, to call people names, things that don't belong to you. He wants you to practice, practice. Never give up. Always mind and stay off drugs. Watch our show as we present these ideas to you kids today. Hey, Otto! Woo-wee! It looks like you're excited. Hey, Otto, I don't know, I have been over here giving rides with you today, but I'd like to salute all of the fathers and the dads today. Is that okay with you? I know you're a father of 3 sons and 14 grandkids. So to all of you dads and sweethearts and fathers, this is for you and you kids. All right, Otto, I know you're excited for the South Freedom Airshow, right? Okay, Otto, what are you going to do for us today? Oh, you guys, look at that. He is so excited. He's just spinning and twirling around out there. But Otto, if you're that excited, let's get started. Now, I understand you have a surprise that you've actually learned how to blow a bubble. Is that right? Otto, I just passed out some real bubble gum to the boys and girls, and we're ready for a contest with you now. Okay, boys and girls, get chewing that bubblegum. Moms and dads, get your cameras out. You'll never see another helicopter have a bubblegum contest with our kids. And oh, Otto, we have some kids over here with some big bubbles they're blowing, and they were so polite. So many of them said thank you today. Oh, wow, who in the world would ever believe they saw a helicopter named Otto blow a bubble? Wow, that is tremendously big. Oh, Otto, what in the world? Wow, that was big. But Otto, wait a minute, I know a secret. Otto, I think you were using a balloon. What? Now, wait a minute, Otto. These boys and girls know it's naughty to fib. Otto, will you tell me the truth? Were you using a balloon? You better tell the truth. See, you kids, it's not nice to fib. Well, now, Otto, because you were not only fibbing, you were cheating, I would say our little friends beat you in your famous bubblegum contest. Would you agree? Ladies and gentlemen, let's give all our little kids, you have a lot of little kids that are blowing bubblegum on their face. Let's give them a big hand. You just beat Otto in his famous bubblegum contest. Okay, Otto, how come your name is Otto? Do you have an autopilot? Is Bob your autopilot? Did your autopilot fly in Vietnam and in Korea? Okay, Otto, just a minute. We have some music and noise going on up here. You want to hold it just a minute? Okay, go ahead, Otto. It might be a band playing the background. Okay, let's play it on. Now, with an autopilot that is flown in Vietnam and Korea, then you can about do anything. Now, Otto, this is an air show, so no more contest with your kids right now. We're supposed to be doing batting, like we're going to say. Where are you going? Otto, what are you doing out there? What are you doing? Oh my gosh, have you told me what to do? And that looks like a... Oh, wow. Otto, that looked like a hammerhead. Was that a hammerhead? Okay. How about a loop? Wait a minute. I'll make it a little harder. How about a square loop? You can do a square loop like an airplane does? I don't know you can. I bet you can do this, but you have to watch very carefully because you never again see a helicopter perform a square loop. Now, for it to be a square loop, the track he makes in the sky must form a perfect square. He has to go straight up in the air on the first leg, straight across the top, perfectly flat, and straight at the ground, and then a square corner, and he comes back down and up the side. Oh, he's backing across the top. I think he's cheating a little bit. He is. And then he's going to come straight down at the ground where he went in, and straight across the bottom. But wait a minute, Otto. That was not a square loop. I said straight up, straight along the top, but I meant upside down. Oh, you don't go upside down like the airplanes? Well, how about a 4-point roll? I found a maneuver you can do. Are you telling me that is too easy? Otto, could you do an 8-point roll? Oh, you kids, let's see what he's going to do on this one. Now, for it to be an 8-point roll, he has to make 8 different clock angles in the sky, and they must be very crisp. Okay, now, I want you to watch as he comes down here. And I'd like to have you kids count with me. Here comes number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Come on. Hey, Otto, that was not an acorn roll. I didn't say 8 different flock-like eagles in the sky, but I meant by rolling over. Oh, you don't roll over like the airplane? Well, I guess you twirly-birds can just about do anything. Where are you going? What are you doing up there in the sky, Otto? Oh, Otto, don't you like to be called a twirly-bird? Oh, Otto, I'm sorry. I know the boys and girls don't like to be called names like stupid and jerks and idiots. Well, Otto, you'll come back down now. I'll just call you a helicopter. I won't call you a twirly-bird. See, he was pounding up there. He turned his back. Okay, Otto. I'll just call you Otto or a cute little helicopter. Okay? Okay. Wait a minute. What are you doing? I said to get back down now. What in the world are you doing out there? What are you doing out there? Oh, my gosh. That was a tail slide. Well, now that's bitters, and if you helicopters think you can do anything, Otto, you've been acting a lot like a little kid out there. Do you want to try to show these boys and girls how you're learning how to work a yo-yo? You do? Okay. Okay, kids. Now, he's going to set that little helicopter down there, and out there we have a 75-pound rubber yo-yo. It's not on a bungee cord, it's just on a rope. And he has to practice, practice, practice. Now, this pilot has 70,000 hours in helicopters of his own, 6,000 airplanes, but you know what? He still has to practice, practice, practice. Because you know, when you were learning how to work a yo-yo, sometimes it yo-yoed, sometimes it yo-yo-yoed, sometimes it slipped right off your finger. All right, you kids, cross your fingers because it'll help him. And oh, he does like to do this good for you kids. Get your cameras out, ladies and gentlemen. You are going to see, hopefully, Otto and Bob work a yo-yo. Get your cameras out. This is the only helicopter in the world that you'll see play with this yo-yo. And we got to see what's going to go on here today. We never quite know. And there's a yo. Good show. Oh, it came right up really high. Good. And here comes another one. A yo-yo. Oh, yippee-diddle-doo. It spun a little bit there. Let's see if we can catch it here now. And here comes again another one. A yo-yo-yo. Isn't that fantastic? Here comes another one. A yo-yo-yo-yo. Wow, that is really spinning out there today, Ed Clement. Oh, look at that. Here comes another one. A yo-yo-yo-yo-yo. Oh, Otto. That is absolutely, totally amazing. But I think there's another yo. I think maybe I bring on. No, he hates to quit when he gets that going, you kids. You've seen a yo-yo-yo-yo-yo-yo-yo-yo. We're going to have him put that yo-yo back on the ground so we can get on with this air show. Oh, boy, am I glad he did that good. I want you to know his only reference he has is looking straight down at that yo-yo. And that is done with pure skill and practice, practice, practice. Thank you, kids, for crossing your fingers, because sometimes that helps, too. Okie dokie. See, just remember, practice, practice, practice. No matter how good you are, you still have to practice. I'm sure glad he did it good, because now I can live with him this coming week. He sure does like to do that yo-yo for you kids. Okay, Otto. Hey, you're pretty smart out there. You must have done that yo-yo-yo-yo-yo-yo-yo-yos, huh? Okay, Otto. Now, I have a contest for you. And just you alone. Out there on the ramp right below you, we have placed 3 barrels like a horse races at a rodeo. Can you go around those barrels like horses at a rodeo? Okay, remember the world's record is 14.5 seconds, and if you knock over 1 barrel, there's a 5-second penalty. Here he goes. He's going around the first barrel. Here he comes. He's coming around the second barrel. Oh, look at that, you kids. You are really seeing the world record. And here he comes around the third barrel. Wow, you have just seen the world's... I thought you were going to see the world's record, but Otto, wait a minute, that does not count. Otto, you cannot have a world's record and knock over a barrel. Don't argue with me out there, Otto, no record for you. Where are you going? What is Otto doing out there? Where is he going? Oh my gosh, look at that, you kids. It looks to me like he's cheating again. Oh my word, look at that. He set that sparrow back up. He thinks he's smart, but Otto, I've got news for you, Otto. That doesn't count. Kids, do you want to let him have the world's record? Oh, Otto, I heard him up here yell, yes. Well, I don't know. They say so, but I don't think so. I never did see a horse set back up a barrel. Well, I am beginning to believe that you can do about anything, Otto. And I hear when you're not on the airshow circuit, you're a police helicopter. Is that right? Oh, Otto, I am so glad. You know, when I was passing out the bubblegum at the gate, some guy had the nerve to come along in a flight suit, and he took this bag full of bubblegum. Can you help me find this guy? Oh, Otto, I can't believe it. He was right. He had the nerve to be right here. But somebody does. Can some of you policemen help me? Oh, go get him. He's right out in front of the announcer's stand. Can you believe the nerve of that guy? Look at that. See, he's got my bag full of bubblegum. Oh, here we got a couple guys coming over here. Oh, we got him coming over here. Okay, you guys, you got to catch him out there. Otto's dropped something under the helicopter. I bet you it's a hook. Let's see what they're going to do. Oh, we got him coming from all directions here. Bet they catch him. Okay. He's got the siren on. Oh, we've got some good helpers to run out there and catch him for us. Oh, they got him. I'm glad they got him. Look at that. Let's see what they're going to do. Drop the hook under there. And they got him hooked up. And look at that. He's a wiggler. Look at that. Oh, my word. Look where Otto is taking him. He is taking him to jail. Now, see you kids, it can start with a piece of bubblegum, and then it's 10 cents, then it's $1, then it's $10, then it's $100, and when you take things that don't belong to you, you are going to end up in jail. Right where he belongs. Look at him shaking that jail out there. He thinks he's going to get out, but I got news for him. Hey, Otto, do you know how proud I am of you, and I thank you for getting my bubblegum snatcher. Yes. Okay, Otto, I understand that maybe I know you have a lot of things you can do to airplanes, but you have one more trick you want to show these kids today. Otto, could you tow a banner? You can tow a banner. Off to your left, the stage show right, there's a banner laying out there. It is a very simple message. Get your cameras. Want you sure stay when I say it. Now, Bob is a driving course behind our team. He has over 70,000 hours. He did fly in Korea and Vietnam. We have 3 sons, 14 grandchildren, 5 grandpups, 4 grandkittens, peacock turtles, all the things that grab parents in Karen. And Bob and I have been married for 45 years. We get to travel all over this great United States and into Canada and down to Mexico. And we tow our little helicopter behind our motorhome. We also get to adopt all the wonderful young men and ladies that you see so forth before you today. We get to have, we've got all these sons and daughters and granddaughters. We have a son who's a very famous Hollywood stunt pilot. You'll see his name in a lot of movies. He at one time was the only one in the world to land upside down and take off upside down in his double pit and his double take. And now you'll see in a lot of movies. The last one was Mission Impossible. He did Clear Presence Danger, a lot of movies without a flying helicopter. His dad, who's flying Otto, flew and beat John Wayne's chest with a lot of movie work. Okay, I see it coming, you guys. Get your cameras. Let's see, he's backing in here to stage show, and look at that. Isn't that glorious? Let's hear it. Otto says no to run. What does that say, kids? Repeat with me. Otto says no to run. Is that a neat banner? You kids, if you don't remember anything around this whole show, just say no to drugs. Just don't do it. If you want to fly, be like one of these Golden Knights. If you want to fly like the Red Baron, if you want to fly like Kent and Frank and all these wonderful friends, just don't try it. If you want to be a helicopter pilot, don't do it. Now, if you have your brother, sister, or somebody who's messed up on drugs, you put your arms around them and you love them and you bring them back to this wonderful world we live in, because there is help for them out there. Hey, Otto, that was a fantastic, super colossal banner, and you've done yourself proud today. You can come down now. I said, Otto, come down now. Otto, you're not supposed to be up there. We have to get on your show, and when you don't mind, bad things happen. The boys and girls know when you don't mind, and I told you to come down. I know you don't want to leave here. You really like it at Willow Grove, don't you? Well, you better mind me, because if you don't, something's going to happen. I told you, I warned you, I told you to mind me.
Yes.
You didn't mind me. Can you believe that? And look at that now. Now your little engine's just blown up. But Otto, we do have some kids here, and they really love you, and they worry about you when that smoke comes out. You're okay, aren't you? Sure, you kids. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, wave your hands wherever you can see this one. Let's thank Bob for a fantastic show today. I would also like to thank the very special people that helped us today. The young man coming out of jail out there, Senior Chief Wise, he was a good sport. He would never take anything that didn't belong to him. The patrolman that went out to catching was Patrolman McGee, Smith, Merv, and Osborne. Thank you, young folks, for